Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel. I'm glad you showed up today. I have some boxes to unbox and they're both mysteries. Well, actually, the box on the bottom is a pair of shoes that I ordered for myself on Poshmark. Both of these packages are Poshmark purchases by me. Now this is the one that I am most excited about. Guys, this is a Reseller Mystery Box. It's 5 pounds. It is every bit of 5 pounds. I am dying to get into this box. I really wanted to share it with you. I'm guessing that you enjoy a mystery unboxing if you have showed up and clicked on this video. So stick around. If you're new to this channel, hello, welcome. I sure hope you will subscribe and join me for a future video. Guys, I am a reseller on Poshmark and inventory has been tough to get lately. As you are watching this video, I am actually out of town thrifting and it's really been dry in my area, and that is why I started shopping around for mystery boxes, reseller mystery boxes, and I found this one and I really don't know what to expect. I only spent $10 on this box plus shipping. I think my total cost in is $18. I don't remember how many cents, guys, but $18 for this box. Let's talk real quick about what I expect from my $18 investment. You know what I expect? I expect to have a good time. I have opened lots and lots of mystery boxes on this channel. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, a playlist of reseller mystery boxes that I have purchased to actually sell in my Poshmark closet. And I'm going to tell you something about all of those boxes. I have ordered so many $10 boxes, and I have made a profit on every single one of the boxes. Now, not everything is sold, very, very quickly, but I have got my money back plus profit on every single box I have ordered. So I recommend every one of those videos. There is a connection, a way for you to get a hold of the seller. I do not know this seller. I actually searched for mystery boxes, and this seller, her closet name is Soul Art, and I am going to link this particular listing also in the description box below. You guys can check out her Poshmark closet. Now, with her listing, she actually encourages you to check out her Poshmark closet because she fills these boxes with items from her closet and also pieces that she doesn't yet have listed. By liking pieces in her closet, she has an idea of the types of items you enjoy selling. You guys can check out the listing if you want more information. I'll talk more about the shoes when we get to the shoes. Should we do the shoes first? Let's open the mystery box first. This actually arrived first. So first come, first serve. I want to share this moment with you, what the box looks like. And this is what it looks like when I open it. So it's all nicely packaged, and there's actually an invoice in here. Oh wow. Oh, that's kind of cool. I'll share that with you in just a moment. Let me open this. On the very top there is a note. Thanks for supporting my closet. Great customers like you make poshing fun. Hope you enjoy this box as much as I had putting it together. You guys, okay, I like that the items are wrapped in plastic only because, wow. Okay, this is an item that I actually liked in her closet, guys. These are corkies. This is, it's almost like a flip-flop. It's got that little toe loop there, and it is a woven, I think elastic, yeah, woven elastic. I think these are my size too, a size 8. I love these. I can't believe she did that. So I can't remember what she had these listed for, but yeah, more than the price that I paid for this box. So already that was really, really awesome. Guys, I will edit out all of the opening of packages because I don't like to waste your time. And I know so many of you don't like the sound, but I'll tell you what, my impression on this box is every single piece is wrapped in plastic. And again, I do that myself, and I appreciate when other resellers do it as well. Now, you can reuse this plastic. There's many, many ways to recycle plastic like this. Let me give you one great idea. You can ball it up like this, and you can use it to stuff your shoes so that your shoes can keep their shape. If you're a reseller, you know what I mean. So I do reuse all of the plastic, but wrapping your items in plastic in some way protects it from the elements. And you'll see that shoe box actually had some water damage to it. But the next piece is a scarf, and this is so funny. I love this scarf. I have this exact scarf. I own this and I love it. It is actually wrapped around one of my coats in my coat closet. So this is a perfect piece for me. And because I already have this, and guys, look at this. This is the coolest scarf. It's actually like you could stick your hands in it and stay warm. But because I already have this scarf, I will probably use it to wrap up a bundle. That's what I do with scarves. So that's cool. Next we have something big and green and heavy too. This one is a heavy piece. Might be a dress. Yes, it is a dress. And it's got tags on it. What kind of tags do you have? It's Talbot's. It is MSRP $149, and then there is a red sale price of $119. It's a size 16, guys. I love it. I love it. Size 16 Talbots. This is a polyester dress. It's got an interesting neckline, doesn't it? Yeah, it does have a draped neckline. That's beautiful. And I love the size of it. I bet it is lined. It is fully lined. That's Talbot's. Talbot's makes a nice quality dress, jackets. I mean, their clothing is very nice and very expensive. And I'm so happy to have this in a larger size. Oh, this is what I was going to show you. This is, you can see her item number. She pulled this, I guess, from her closet, but she actually has check marks. She pressed it, size chart, added a draft list, picks put away, and on the other side, she actually has all the measurements. So I am not keeping the Talbot's dress. I will be selling it, and thank you very much for all of the info. Guys, there's more shoes. I love shoes. These are 9 West. Okay, here are the sandals, the 9 West. This is what they look like. They are white or an off-white, almost a cream color T-strap sandal. There is some stud detail, a buckle detail, and these are a size 9. So they look like they're in pretty good condition. They are clean. I appreciate that. Yeah, very little wear. So these are in great condition and they are perfect for the season. Next up is a Tommy Bahama piece, and I know because I have the seller's notes on it. So this, it feels like a sweatshirt. And this is what it looks like. I don't know if my camera is picking it up correctly, but this is a pale yellow sweatshirt. And it looks to be in really great condition. It looks short. Does it look short, guys? This looks like it might be a cropped sweatshirt. Let me see what size it is. Tommy Bahama, size medium. So maybe it's really boxy. All right, I'm guessing this one is a skirt, but I just saw here, she says these are dress slacks, and they are printed dress slacks, which I love the print on these, and they almost look Lily-like, don't they? But they're not Lily. I did see, these are Talbot's. That looks like an old tag Talbot's. Talbot's collection, stretch, size 14. These are a cotton, move my box. Because of the print on these, I feel like these should be an ankle pant, but guys, I think this is a full-length pant, which is nice, and great pant for the summer, right? Spring and summer? Okay, I'm pretty pleased with this box so far. And there's one last piece, and oh my, this is a hat. Look at that. You guys, I do not even know what to think about this, but look at those feathers. Should I put it on? I think, oh, that's the back. I see a tag. Oh, maybe I should tell you who it is. This is PRT Ultra Basque, 100% wool, made in the Czech Republic. So you can see that tag right there. That is really the only information. I've got to try it on. We have to see. I don't know. How do I wear it, guys? Pull it down? Like, I do take it. What do you think? This is outstanding. You have to tell me how to wear this top. I'm going to have to Google it. You guys, this is spectacular. Oh, this is a wool hat, which is really probably too warm for where I live, but I am going to rock this hat somewhere. In fact, I am going up north soon to visit my son, and I think I will get off the plane wearing this hat. This is incredible. I love this hat. This is so unique, and I know nothing about it. This is what it looks like. I love this hat, but I don't know anything about it. So if you do, please let me know in the comments below. This hat made the entire box worth every bit of $18. I am sure. Is this a vintage hat, guys? I don't know. How do I wear it? I have to figure out, something like that maybe? I mean, I know I got to get my hair out of my eyes, but what do you think? Off to the side like that? Is that better? Okay, the shoes that I purchased, they're right here, and you can see this box does have some water damage on it, and that's the thing. I live in a very dry and warm climate, but I don't know where my packages are going and how the shipper is treating the packages. This is not on the seller. I don't know if she actually sent a box that was damaged or if it was damaged in shipping. I always give the seller the benefit of the doubt just because I sell myself. Let's open these up, guys, and I'll tell you about them. Okay, here's the box. You can see they are Tory, and these are used shoes. The seller described them as used. The pictures were pretty good on these shoes. They look like they were in good shape. You can see here that these were originally $99.97 at Nordstrom Rack. What is the name? What is your name? The Flamingo New Fire Orange. Orange. Let's see. Let's open them up. They are not orange. And I knew that. I saw the pictures of them. This is what they look like, guys. This is what they look like. Pretty. So they don't have the Tory logo on them, which is just fine with me. Well, there's a little one right there, but I don't want to wear great big logos. These are in remarkable shape. This is what the other one looks like. And I'm going to move the box. Here's the soles, which have been cleaned, but they look like they're in good condition. You can see the Tory patch right there. I'm going to have to try these on. They are pretty stiff canvas, and they are kind of a cream color with that green stripes on them. These are beautiful, aren't they? $20 I picked these up for. I hope these work for me, and like I said, I don't sweat it. If they don't work, I will reposh them, but they're beautiful and I want them to work. Okay, and last is the free gift. It says something extra just for you. Enjoy. Okay, hold on. Ah, it's a headband. Guys, I do not own a headband. This is so Kelly too. Well, I don't know about pearls. Often when I wear pearls, my girlfriends tell me I am not a pearl kind of girl. So let me put that on. What do you think? I've never worn headbands, or very seldom, because I never can get used to the way I look in a headband. But you guys, I can rock a feather hat with no problem. What do you think? That was such a, I mean, these headbands are really trendy. Do I go here? What about like this would be like, that's probably not how I'm supposed to wear it, but that feels good like that. Can I wear it like that, or do I look ridiculous? Do I look like an old lady that is just keeping her hair out of her face? You guys, tips on the headband are appreciated. I'm going to link the Tory Burch shoe seller in the description box below, because what a nice, thoughtful seller. I mean, she made me a great deal on those shoes. I couldn't be happier. I hope they're comfortable. I hope they work for me. As well as the reseller box will also be linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out. I had a great time, worth every penny that I spent. If you had a good time, please give the video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in just a couple days with a brand new video. Blessings to all of you.